Hello, I just wanted to demonstrate some of the things I changed in order to make my uh, PowerPoint more accessible. The interesting thing about this is that my curriculum here is really intended to be done in a classroom setting. So when I was modifying this, it almost kind of didn't make sense because the intention of this is that it's in a typical like traditional classroom setting where someone's going to be presenting this content. Uh, but what I did was to make sure that all the headings were using like the actual heading designation. So for the text here, you'll see that it's using the Calibri Light headings, and the body has the body text. For images, I included alt text. So I tried to describe what each image was. Um, I also tried to make sure that it had a pretty high contrast for all of my text to make it more easily more easy to read. Um, so those are just a couple things I went through this document to make it more accessible. Some of my other documents are handouts, but I also made sure that the text in digital format would be like it would be usable with one of those online readers. Um, but yeah, my difficulty with this was that the content I was creating was the format was more of a like typical classroom setting with the handouts in paper format, but they can also be used digitally if someone wants to. And they all live now on a Google Drive folder that would be made accessible to the instructor, and the instructor could then share that with the students as well. So thank you.